Hi sir, good morning. Mao din akong ah, i-report si philosopher Benito Mussolini. Benito Mussolini was an Italian politician and leader of the National Fascist Party. He ruled Italy as prime minister from 1922 to 1943. Mussolini played a significant role in the rise of fascism in Europe and formed a close alliance with Nazi Germany during World War II. His regime was characterized by authoritarianism, nationalism, and suppression of political opposition. Ultimately, he was overthrown in 1943 and executed in 1945. Si Benito Mussolini daw kay kuan isa siya ka Italian politician, then leader of National Fascist Party. Dayan, he ruled Italy as prime minister sa 1922 to 1943. Benito Mussolini, the Italian dictator, he is primarily known for his political leadership rather than his literary or artistic works. However, he did write several works including the Doctrine of Fascism or La Doctrina del Fascismo. This was a foundational text outlining the principle of fascism, co-writing with philosopher Giovanni Gentile or Gint in 1932. Then, rise to power and political career, various articles and species Mussolini, prolific writer and speaker, producing numerous articles, essay, and speeches promoting fascist ideology, and speeches throughout his career promoting fascist ideology and his vision for Italy. While Mussolini literary output may not be widely studied or celebrated, today his political action and influence on 20th century his 20th century history are significant aspect of his legacy. Si Benito Mussolini is kuan siya isa ka Italian dictator, dayon known siya for political leadership, and he did write several works including the Doctrine or Fascism or La Doctrina del Fascismo. um, Mo yang virtues and values. One is nationalism, authoritarianism, totalitarianism, and militarism, corporatism, and anti-communism, and last, cult of personality. Uh, Nationalism is kung ano siya, pagkamakabayan, and authoritarianism is kuan siya authority. Dayon totalitarianism is to control the citizens. Dayon militarism is to defend or promote national interests. Then ang corporatism is to control the state or organization by large interests and groups. Ano siya? Dayon ano yung principles authoritarianism include dictatorship or autocracy, despotism, or tyranny. Then mo yung morality. The morality of Mussolini, like that of any historical figure, is debate. Some credit him for beneficial policies like infrastructure project, while others criticize his authoritarianism, human rights abuse, and alliance with Nazi Germany. Ultimately, his legacy is marked by authoritarianism and aggression, neglecting democratic principle and human rights. And mo ang ethics. Mussolini leadership characterized by suppression of opposition, censorship, discrimination, and alliance with Nazi Germany is widely condemned for its disregard for human rights and democratic values. Then, mo ni, si Mussolini kay nabuhi siya atong July 29, 1883 sa Predapio, Italy. Then namatay siya on April 28, 1945 sa Giuliano, Azzano, Italy. Then, mo ni ang biscoats niya. It's better to live one day as a lion than your as a sheep. Sa Bisaya pa, mas mayo pang mabuhi sa isa kadlaw as a lion kaysa pila ka years as a sheep. Ano to? Thank you.